Hey y'all, we're back here with another video here on Zach J Outdoors. And today we're going to be moving from the bass fishing to the saltwater fishing, because now I'm back at school and getting into the saltwater fishing while the mullet run is hot. And this is going to be the first real time that me and my friend got on some good redfish and some good trout. And whenever the mullet run was going on, and I'll go over what we use to catch our fish at the very end of the video.
Nice. Sweet. Two. There you go. Redfish. Yeah. 22 and a half. This fish. You're getting eaten by something. That's a good looking red. It's not burnt. No, it's not. Yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish. Not as big as the other one, but. Yeah. That's a redfish, I can tell. Am I? Yeah, I am, you're right. Come on, motherfucker. Oh my god. I am. Well, I need to get this other one out of the way again. Right. Oh, sorry. Calm down. We got it, it's right here. I got it, it's okay. It's probably...
We lost the big one.
I know, I'm just saying. I know. 27. I'm gonna wait on it too. Now 27-inch redfish. Yes. Alright, 721. Awesome. Let's get a picture. 7.21 pound redfish. There we go. Feel good? No, maybe you got hooked backwards or something. That area's really small. Oh, you got a ray. Ooh. Yeah. Much delay. Far left. Good? Alright, man, get him. You feel good? Tell me what you want me to do. Is he... Feels better? You'll find out here in a second if he starts pulling. Be careful. No, that's a redfish. Maybe not a keeper redfish, but a redfish. Or a trout, never mind. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, that's at least 25. That's like, oh my god, dude. Oh, it's chunky too. Oh.
God, that's a big trout, dude.
What's your PB trout? Oh my god, y'all. I gotta show you this fish. Look at that trout, y'all. That thing's huge. 20. How is that 20? 21 and a half. Same, same thing. There we go. Might be another trout. Chad! It's not big, but it's like a trout maybe. Nope, yeah, it's something bigger. Come on, catch up to him, catch up to him. I can't tell. It's something. It might be, I don't think it's a red. He's making a run right here. What is that? That's a red. No, it's a trout. No? I can't tell. It's a little redfish. Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. That's it. Alright, y'all. 20-inch redfish, but we're going to turn him out just because he's really close. Really nice colors on him. Got that blue tail. Really pretty fish. Oh, my arm. Now it's a redfish. I can tell. Man, my arm's killing me. Ain't a bad one. No. Oh yeah, it is. That's another good sized one. I just saw that rod just. Oh. It's another good one. I guess so. That's about the same size. Nope, 26 and a half. How much was that other one? 27? Awesome. 6.25. This is a 6 and a half. Another good redfish, guys. 26 and a half. Another good slot one. A little chunky. Feels maybe I can't. No, I don't think so. Maybe I can't tell. Maybe okay. It's better. It's a pump. It's a good pump. That's a big pump, dude. Sweet. Yeah, he's a thick one. It's 16, like 75 pretty much. I want to take 16 and a quarter, 3/4 inch pompano. He's going back.
Alright, so describing what we did, well, what we used to catch our redfish and trout, and also stingray in this episode, as well as pompano. is what we did is, you know, to get our mullet, we just went up to the closest jetties that we usually do some fishing at, and cast netted a bunch of mullet as they just went by schools, and then Shrub we just bought. But so what we did is we would walk those usually out to either the first bar or the second bar, just depending on how the tide was and how deep it was, and just cast them out as far as we can into some the deeper guts, and just, you know, wait for the fish to hit, you know. And redfish hit really well. Got a good couple of those, good keepers. One that looked like it had been either bit by something or got its tail snipped by something. I don't entirely know. It was kind of weird looking, but lots of fun catching those redfish. Also lost the big one, but you know, little error that we had, and that's okay. Stuff happens. Or honestly, it might have been like even a shark, just because it snapped off so fast. You know, redfish, I've never had it to where you just, you know, not even set the hook just to lean in, you know, because you know how you reel down to try to keep in the pressure. That's exactly what I did in that instance, and the fish just popped. The line just popped and broke, which then again could be the line. I don't know. I'm never really gonna know. Stinks, but crap happens. So nothing really to harp on. But lots of fun catching those redfish. They bit pretty well as that good 21.5-inch trout that my buddy caught, which was kind of funny. That he caught that one is the exact same size as mine on the same kind of thing. I mean, we both got ours on live mullet, so that was awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see y'all next time with Zach G Outdoors. Thank you so much for watching.